Good morning, students. Welcome once again to the class. First of all, I would like to appreciate all of your effort. You people are doing really very good. I am seeing the work some students are sending me through NTAP. It's really appreciable, students. You are sitting at home and doing all the works. It's really very amazing. Hats off to your parents also. They are taking good care of yours, and of course this is the very tough time for the students, but still you people are doing very good. So hats off, students. Very nice. So we continue with our new topic. So today's topic would be multiplication of division. See, students, these all topics you have done earlier only. Mathematics only require regularity. Again, I will be telling you, mathematics only require regularity. If you are not regular, you are unable to do the maths. If you will be regular, so each and every concept is given in the book only. You don't need any teacher. Some questions might be tricky, you can have that. So you have to work hard for being regular. For being regular, not working hard for doing the calculation of the mathematics part. But mathematics require regularity of yours. As a student, you have to do daily half an hour mathematics question solve. If you have completed all your tasks, then revise the thing. Again, you can revise the things whichever you have done earlier. So it is not like that there is no homework today, so I am not going to do the mathematics part or and this is applicable for each and every subject, right? So you have to be regular. And for this video session also, students, our main concern is to make you regular only. You people are very good enough to do the questions, but you people will not be regular. But with these videos, you feel like that you have to do certain tasks till particular date so that you can come with the next assignments. So you are being regular for this. So for the first mantra for having a good mathematician is to be regular in your studies, right? So on this note, I will be starting my today's topic, and my today's topic is decimal multiplication. As you can see, students, my decimal multiplication, we have to write multiplication. You know multiplication? If I have to multiply 15 into 6, how much? 90. But if it is a decimal part, how you will write? 1.5 into 6. And here the process is this, students. You have to simply multiply 15 and 6 as a whole number. First you multiply 15 and 6 as a whole number. So it is, what is the answer? 90. And then how many numbers are after decimal? Only one. So after one place I kept this decimal. So my answer would be how much? 9. Right? One more example. 3.25 into, say, what is there? 24. So I will be 3.25. So for a time being, just forget this decimal. Just consider this as a whole number only. So you will be multiplying 325 into 24. Okay. So how much will be the answer? 4 5s are 20. 4 2s are 8, 9, 10. 4 3s are 12, 13. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 2s are 4, 5. 2 3s are 6. Am I right, students? 7800. And now you cannot, yeah. So it's 7800. So after how many places I will put the from the left hand side, right? So I will keep the decimal here. So this is how your multiplication will be applicable. There is one shortcut for multiplication with power of 10, you can say. Like for example, you have to multiply 156.25 into 10. So what I do is, this is the thing like that. You have to simply multiply 156250. Forget this whole number. So after this, yeah, it is not applicable. Now, second question. 325.625 into 100. I will be multiplying by 100. So 325,625, 00, and then I keep the decimal from here. Okay. Right. So answer will be how much? I have done wrong over here. It will be after 3 places. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 325.62.5. Right. So this is how we will doing this question. So all this your multiplication will be like this only. You can see, students, as I will be going through the chapter, your exercise 3C comprises of each and every question of this type only. I am opening this. This is 2C. Yes, this C. Here it comes. 3B and 3C, multiplication of decimals. A rule: on multiplying a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by 1 place. When you are multiplying by 10, the decimal is shifted by 1 place. So here it is before 2, so it places to 1 shift. So 1 place shift. Okay, here it is, you are multiplying by 100, so you have to multiply. Okay. Similarly, if you will multiply by 1000, so it will be shifting by 3 places. Like 412.6125 into 1000. I can write down directly. So it is places over here. So 412.612.5. Okay. And there is then some word problems are there. So this is the only thing which you have to do. Now there is certain questions like this. Both are decimal. 2.4 into say 1.5. Here also the same procedure will follow. You have to multiply both the terms as a whole number. So what will be the answer? 15 4s are 60, 6 carry, 15 2s are 30, 36. 360 is the answer, and I will count how many numbers are after decimal. So here after decimal 1 number, and here after decimal. You have to count in both the numbers how many numbers are there after decimal, not on only single one. You have to add number of digits after decimal in both the numbers, right? So 1 and 1, how much? 2. So I will put the decimal from here, 1 and 2. So the answer is 3.6. Okay. And one more type of question is there, so you can easily do exercise 3C, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. Now the sixth one. 6 part 1. It is 13 into 1.3 into 0.13. So here you will be multiplying 13, 169. 169 into 13. How much? Multiply. 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 6 are 18, 19, 20, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 2197. So 2197, and I will count decimal. There is no decimal over here. Here 1 decimal and here 2 decimals. So 3 decimals, so I will keep that point. So 2.197 answer. Okay. So this is how we will be doing. And then we are having some word problems like a bus can cover. Question number 9. Question number 8 is, you can just go through question 8 also. It is 0.8 cube. What do you mean by 0.8 cube? Let me write it again. .8 cube. So it is 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8. So as a whole number it is 8 only. Here also it is 8 only. And here also it is 8. Right. So 512. 512. 8 cube is 512. After decimal 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. I will keep the decimal over here because there is no number over here. So 0.512. This is my answer. Okay. Apart from this, there are some word problems in question number 9, as it say, a bus covers 62.5 km in 1 hour. How many distance can it cover in 18 hours? So question number 9. Distance travelled in 1 hour. Again, statements are very important, students. Distance travelled in 1 hour. It is equal to 62.5 kilometers. So how much distance it cover in 18 hours? So distance travelled in 18 hours. What will be the answer? 62.5 into 18. Multiply 62.5 into 18. Just forget this. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 2 just 16 plus 4 20, 2 carry, 8 6 are 48, 50. And here it is 5 2 6, 0 5 2 11. Decimal after, I will see in both the numbers how many numbers digits are there after decimal. So it is only 1. So answer is 1125.0. Right. So this is all we have to do right now. So do all the questions of exercise 3C, right? And as I told you in the starting, you have to be regular students. Be regular. Don't wait for the last moment like that ki when the school will reopen, I will complete my work and then. No, it's not like that. You have to complete your work. Okay, students? Then goodbye.